Today I want to talk to you about hydration. You may think that hydration is not important for swimmers, but you do sweat in the water. In fact, one study suggests that swimmers on average lose about half a liter of water per hour through sweat, not to mention the electrolytes, the potassium and calcium and magnesium that you lose at the same time. So it's important that you drink at swim practice. At PAC, we would like all of our swimmers to have a water bottle at practice, preferably with water or some form of sports drink, not juice or soda. Hopefully nobody does that. But some form of sports drink or water that you have at practice that you can sip in between sets. Ideally, you'd have it in a water bottle like this. These are pretty cheap. I think you can find them at Target. The reason why I suggest something like this is, number one, it's 32 ounces. Okay, so half a liter per hour if you have a 2-hour practice, which would be what our silver swimmers on up have between dry land and swimming. That would be about a liter right there. Okay, so you want to replace all that water and electrolytes that you have while you swim through what you're consuming. But the other good thing about this bottle is that you can also just tip and squirt. All right, as you know, at practice, sometimes we're doing hard work where we're not at the wall for very long. If you have to stop at the wall and twist off a cap and pour it in your mouth and then put the cap back on, number one, you're probably not going to drink as frequently. Number two, you might interrupt your set in order to do that. So have something that you can quickly just squirt in your mouth and then put it right back down. That will be extremely helpful. But hydration is important because it affects your performance. When you get dehydrated, your performance will suffer. So it's important that you rehydrate during practice to prevent that from happening. But also, hydration is really important for your recovery from one practice to the next. Often we'll do a hard practice on one night and follow it up with another very hard practice the next day. If you are dehydrated when you leave practice, your body's ability to repair itself, which is actually how you get better. When we swim at practice, we kind of break down your body, and when you recover overnight, that's when your body actually gets stronger. So you impair that process if you're dehydrated. That makes it harder to swim fast again the next day. So hydration is important for your performance on a single day sense, but also from day to day, from practice to practice. So try to arrive at practice hydrated. Make sure you're drinking during the day at school. When you are at practice, make sure you hydrate. That's a major tip for successful swimming and something that I want all of our PAC swimmers to be very aware of. Thank you.